Ate, what is your daily expense po? If you don't mind me asking, ate, do you have your own home or you're renting? How much do you earn daily as a seafarer, like in Philippine pesos? Is your salary enough for you to survive, ate? Kuya, what is your daily salary? Magkano po yung nakukuha mong sahod tuwing kada aldaw?
Daily income as a tricycle driver is
Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. Today, we are in Tigaon, Bicol, Philippines to interview Filipinos and ask their daily expenses. Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Ma'am, what is your daily expense po?
Siguro aabutin ng mga 150 pesos.
So almost 150 Philippine pesos. That is like more than 2 US dollar. What is your job exactly po?
Seferer.
Seafarer, wow. And also mom mentioned that she owns this hardware. Mom is very, she's rich, considered rich here in the Philippines. She said not yet.
Kasi
Um,
nagtatrabaho pa eh.
she said not yet because she's still working. But mom, how long have you been seafarer?
5 years.
5 years in counting, right?
Yes.
And she's here in the Philippines right now for
Vacation.
vacations. Okay, how long is your vacation, mom?
2, maximum 2 months or 3 months.
And you have a family po, ma'am.
Yes.
How many kids?
1.
Wow, she must be very, lucky. I'm just very curious right now, ma'am. So, because you mentioned earlier that you are a seafarer,
Yeah.
how much do you earn daily as a seafarer, like in Philippine peso?
Philippine peso siguro mga 2.5. Depende sa palitan, mga 2.8 ganon.
Okay, 2,800. It depends to the exchange rate. Okay, that's daily. And not included how much mom is earning from her hardware store. Ate, what is your daily expense po?
150
Okay. That is food and
travel.
travel. Okay, food and travel, 150 Philippine pesos. What is your job, ate, exactly?
Only housewife.
And now?
And now 1 month here.
Mhm. Okay, so before ate is a housewife, but now she's working for like a month now here in the thrift store, Ukay-Ukay.
Yes.
Yes, Ukay-Ukay thrift store. Ate is selling used clothes, used shoes, bags. So that's Ate's job. Okay. Ate, how much do you earn daily?
Not daily, it's monthly 6K.
Oh, so Ate is not earning daily here, but monthly. She is earning 6,000 Philippine pesos. Do you have a family, ate?
Yes.
How many kids?
3.
3 kids. So your daily expense, which is 150 Philippine pesos, that is not included to your family's expense, right? Daily.
Yes.
Okay, so that's just for ate, not including her family. So ate has 3 kids. Okay. Ate, do you have your own home or you're renting?
No, I am we're caretaker
Okay.
of house.
So you're not paying rent, right?
No.
So it's like you're taking care of someone's house and you don't have to pay for your rent, right? Just take care of it, right?
Yes.
That's very nice. Okay.
Free home.
Free home. Yes, free home. Ate, is your salary enough for you to survive?
No, but tiyaga.
She said no, but patience, perseverance. Okay. But kuya has a job, right? Your husband, ate?
Yes, construction worker.
Okay. So kuya is a construction worker and ate is also, working here in a thrift store. And they have 3 kids. What is your daily expense po, kuya? Magkano po ang nagagastos mo kada aldaw?
150 every day.
Okay, 150 Philippine pesos. Kuya, what is your job po? Ano pong trabaho mo?
I'm a tricycle driver only.
Okay, Kuya is a tricycle. Kuya mentioned earlier that he's working in Naga City.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes. I'm working Naga City as a tricycle driver every day, but Sunday is a rest day of my employer.
Or rest day, Sunday. Rest day is, it's important. Kuya, how long have you been a tricycle driver po? Gaano ka katagal po kayo uh, tricycle driver?
More or less 8 years.
That's long, 8 years. Wow. Kuya, what is your daily salary? Magkano po yung nakukuha mong sahod tuwing kada aldaw?
Daily income as a tricycle driver is 300 minimum.
Kuya, is your salary enough for you to survive? Kasya lang ba kuya para maka-survive ka po?
Yes, because the daily income is to savings in the bank ATM and land bank, BDO, and Cebuana.
Wow, so you can save kuya. Nakaka-save ka din po?
Because I'm not drinking, I'm not smoking.
Wow, that's good. So that because you don't have any, you're not drinking, you're not smoking, so you can save some of your daily salary. And also, Kuya is only spending or his expenses is only 150 Philippine pesos daily. So Kuya can save the half of that the half of 300 pesos, which is 150 pesos. Okay. Kuya, nag-rent po ba kamo? Are you renting po, kuya?
No, because the owner of my tricycle is pinatira ako doon na libre. No gastos.
Wow. So the owner of the tricycle, they let kuya stay or they give you a house, kuya, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
They gave kuya a house to
Garage.
so you're living to their garage po.
Yeah, yes. Small room.
So kuya is not paying rent. The owner of the tricycle let kuya stay to their garage. So that's a free stay. They're very kind, kuya. Very very kind.
Water and electricity. No more pay.
Oh. Electricity, water, no. So just food, kuya, right?
Food only.
You're very kind. Very, very kind, kuya. Very kind employer. Ate, how much is your daily expense? Magkano po yung nagagastos mo sa oral daw?
Sa oral daw, di mo man maano ang gagastusin mo sa oral daw ta ang barakalon baga marahalon. Pero ang ano mi talaga langkaw na ang 300, 200 arugaan ta. Ang mga aki baga sige sa nang haragan.
Okay. So for her family, they could what do you call this? Spend 200 Philippine pesos to 300 pesos. And how many kids do you have, ate?
4.
4 kids and your husband and you, right? So six members. Okay. 300, let's say 300 Philippine pesos. Okay. What is your job, ate?
Ano lang, tindera lang.
Ate is working here in the bakery. These are the breads Ate is selling. How much do you earn daily? Magkano po yung nasahod mo every day?
Ano lang, 350.
350. Is your salary enough for you to survive, ate?
Kulang.
Ate says not enough. But kuya he has a job, right?
Mayroon din. Ano naman siya para tinda man siya para tao siya.
So,
Kulang pa rin.
okay, so kuya also has a job. He is selling taho and ate is working here in a bakery but still ate says it's not enough. Okay, but you can survive, right?
Okay naman.
It's okay. Ate says it's okay. Okay.
Ano rin, nakaka-survive din kahit papaano.
She said they can survive. If you don't mind me asking, ate, do you have your own home or you're renting?
Sa diring harong mi po yun.
So
Ano lang po yun, karong pinapa-install lang kanumang kang may sa diri kang harong.
Oh, okay. So they're not renting, but it's not their home. Like technically,
Totally parang pinapa-install lang kami doon.
So the owner of the house, they just let them stay there for free. Like a caretaker, like that.
Ha?
Like a caretaker. Yun na yung caretaker po, yung parang maestra ka duman, pero lilinigan mo.
Hindi. Sarili mong gawa yung bahay, pero yung lupa hindi.
Oh.
Pinapatira lang kami do'n.
Oh, so she said the land it's not theirs, but the house it's ate. Like they build the house from their money, but the land it's not theirs. So the owner of the land, they just let them build their own home there and for free, no rent. So wow, they're very kind. Okay. I'm sorry, there's a rooster. There's a background, the rooster. But anyway, ate, thank you so much po. Salamat.
Okay lang po. Thank you po.